Welcome to my kitchen, campers, and we're going to have a great summer. My name's Rebecca Miller. I've been involved with the Kansas City Farm School at Gibbs Road for years, and I've been teaching cooking classes and herbal classes for 30 years, and I'm so excited that the folks at KC Farm School asked me to help guide you through some fun cooking for the summer. So what we're going to do today for your first recipe is actually herb water. We're going to flavor water with a variety of herbs that you'd find right there growing either wild or had been cultivated at our farm. So what you're going to do is you're going to be picking up a kit, as you know, and in your kit you're going to get peppermint, and we've got peppermint right here, and you're going to be getting borage. This is a beautiful flower, purple flower. Oh, there we go. Here's the borage, beautiful flower. You're going to be getting some sage. You're going to be also getting some, let's see here. We've got our, this is radish. This is the flowering part of a radish. The radish is down in the ground. And then this later is going to go to seed, and then those seeds are collected and people will grow more radish from the plant you have there. And then you also are going to be receiving, this is coriander. This is a special herb. The seed from this plant is used in Mexican cuisine. Coriander is used in Chinese cuisine. So you're going to receive all those things in your kit, and you're going to also receive a few beautiful nasturtiums, and we're gonna teach you how to use those things. And today we're gonna be doing it with just teaching you about herb water. And you say herb water, and there's two ingredients, little water and herbs. So what is the deal? What kind of recipe is that? Well, we started with this because we're going into summertime, and that's a very important time to keep your body hydrated. You know, you've always heard, make sure you exercise, eat the right foods, and drink plenty of water. And there's a huge key to our health with this. And particularly in the summer with the heat, of course, and the activity you're involved in, you usually sweat a lot in the summertime, right? We lose a lot of water. And the human body contains 58 to 73% water. And so we want to try to make whatever size body you might have affects that percentage, and what activities you're doing and what time of the year it is. So we still need to make sure, and whatever level of water we naturally have in our body, we still want to maintain that and keep that level of water because the water helps cool our body. It helps eliminate toxins, the things that accumulate in our body that we don't need in our body. It helps soothe digestion, helps keep, and it carries nutrition. All of the food you eat and every other liquid you eat, all of those, the water helps carry that nutrition to parts of your body. It helps carry all the vitamins and minerals and enzymes to all the parts of your body that are necessary for all the functions that you're involved in. So it's just as simple as can be for making an herb water. And the reason we chose it is because it makes the water taste good, and you just might want to drink a whole lot more when it tastes delicious. And so today what you'll do with you can use a variety of herbs. We can use the peppermint that we got. We're going to break a few pieces of the borage that you are receiving. And so this is a mixed herb water. I'm also going to teach you today about how to make just peppermint water. My grandkids, I have 5. They call me Mama, so this is Mama's kitchen. But they always ask me for mint water. It doesn't matter. Summer, that's our tradition. We make a big jug of mint water and we keep it in the fridge, and that way everybody's drinking cooling, soothing mint water all summer long. So we're going to put the coriander in. We just put the radish flower in, and we'll just put a real pretty little nasturtium on top. But isn't that beautiful? I mean, now the portions are flexible. You can make your herb waters just by a single glass, or you of course can make them in a big gallon container, or here I have a pitcher that we're going to use at the table for a meal. But these things will set then at room temperature, for an hour or so, and then you'll go ahead and refrigerate this. This needs to be refrigerated after those herbs have sat in the water at room temperature for about an hour, and that helps the properties that are inside the herbs begin to be taken in by the water, and then the water begins to taste and smell absolutely delicious. And this already is smelling very, very beautiful, and it'll infuse. These herbs will last for freshness for maybe about a day in your fridge, and then you'll want to change out that whole batch and start again with some other herbs. So today I'm going to show you a couple variations. Here's a mint water that we made, just all ready to go, and all it is peppermint. And I've got a few variations, and they're endless. Your creativity and the items you have at home on hand are the only thing that would tell you what you'd need to use. You can use lemon. We're going to use some lemon water. That's very good. Helps clean the tummy and the liver. And we've got raspberries fresh from the garden. So you can use fruits. Now, fruits will not stay as stable as all of your herbs. These really will last only about a day, and then most kids and most adults like to go ahead and eat those fruits right out of there, within the day, because they'll get soft and soggy, but they flavor the water beautifully. So you could eat the softer fruit right out of there, and then still keep that flavored raspberry water in the fridge, for a few days too. And I have cucumber here today. Gonna do cucumber water. So the fun part about herbs contain, of course, a lot of phytonutrients, they're called. And those are things that are even smaller molecular structure than the vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are the bigger structure in our everything we eat and drink. But they have phytonutrients that help energize the body, heal the body. And so peppermint is a delightful herb, for one. It's very stimulating, it's very refreshing, and my daughter works in the culinary arts also, and she taught me this just yesterday, how to activate the essential oils in your herbs, as you just smack the little leaf or the flower and put it right in what you want to use. Peppermint is stimulating for, it helps with circulation it helps cool the body, of course, in the summertime. It is universally loved in the culinary profession, of course, for flavoring, like as you all might be familiar with gum, ice cream, for confections of all kinds, mints and candies, that kind of thing. The tea is used. You can pour hot boiling water over fresh herbs and you'll make a cup of tea too. That the tea is used to help soothe tummy aches, headaches, and even, the oils, the peppermint oils are used in athletic massage oils and rubs and liniments when you've injured your muscle, or you hurt or you're sore after a workout, or working in your garden like you're going to be working all summer with all your new plants. You might get a sore hip or leg, and you can rub the peppermint balms right on there and help soothe that muscle. And it is so energizing and stimulating just from smelling the beautiful plant. It's good when you feel tired or fatigued or have a bit of depression. You're sad about something. How can you be sad when you're smelling peppermint? So I hope you enjoy your kit And we'll be going back and forth with information. I can help you online with your virtual summer camp if you have questions. And I know all the staff at KC Farm School can help you too. Of course, Alicia, Sharon, and Melinda are available to help answer questions too. But please let me know how your garden is growing and how you do with your first herb waters, okay? All right, we'll see you next week. All right, take care. Another fun thing you can do is take some of your herbs and flowers. If you have an ice cube tray, you can put those in there. You can make beautiful, colorful ice cubes. You'll be the rage of the party. I think so.